Alright, what is up YouTube? So today I'm at someone's house in Virginia and I'm vacuumed her house. And so I tuned up a Hoover Windtunnel T-Series, which I had before. So now I'm tuning up a Eureka Easyclean. Let me turn it off. Alright, so let me put the camera down. Alright, so I'm gonna plug this baby in. Hey! Oh, this is the dust cup release, so fix that. It does look pretty dirty, so this thing has a hose too. Like, a lot of people have these Eureka Quick Ups, which I read on Amazon they're not powerful, so this one has a riser visor too. I haven't attached a Eureka with an attachment, so. Alright, so let's see how it does. Any suction? Alright, so now I'm just going to clean that filter out. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the results. It's not that loud, so, alright, so here how it sounds. How is the suction now? Alright, so show you the rest. Alright, so there's the Eureka. It works now, and it's neat that it has a hose. I found it up there, so that does it for the video. Now I'm gonna go show you the Hoover Windtunnel. Alright, so here's the Hoover Windtunnel. You may recognize this because I've had one before, one exactly like this before. And that was the paper that got ripped off on mine. So, oh, that's why she took the turbo off. That's why Tracy took the turbo off. So, just gonna leave it right there. So, here's the Hoover Windtunnel, and I cleaned it. So, I'm gonna fold the handle down and put it back in. Pillows are pushing it out. There we go. So now her newest one is a her newest one is a Dyson a Dyson V7 Motorhead. So I love it. So here's what it sounds like. So alright, so I think that's all the vacuums I found, and that does for the video.